Hi there, this is Edan 2.0. Real Edan is too busy reviewing all the new features HubSpot released yesterday. If you're a marketing or revenue leader accountable for demand gen, pipeline creation, sales velocity, or CAC, you already know that HubSpot is awesome. But it's massive. There are always new features to explore, new areas to expand into, new capabilities that can replace other tools. And underutilizing your core GTM platform has serious implications. It slows your revenue teams down, creates overheads for your operations, and results in poor experience for your prospects and customers. At Envy, we broke the big rock that is HubSpot into much smaller stones. How? Meet HubSpot Jobs to be done. Because let's face it, you don't need another big platform project or a long list of things that can fix your HubSpot. You need clear outcomes, and you need them now. Outcomes like HubSpot AI agents that perform SDR and CSR tasks autonomously, a system to collect, filter, and act on a variety of buyer signals that HubSpot collects for you, a CRM that enriches and updates itself, clear alignment on what HubSpot's Breeze AI can do for the business, a CRM that deeply understands your ICP and helps activate it. But the real difference is how we deliver those outcomes. Our HubSpot jobs are pre-scoped, delivered on a predefined schedule, priced upfront. Notice what's missing? No retainers, no long-term commitments, no vague scopes of work that magically expand. Ready to fix your HubSpot? Taking the first step is always the hardest. The rest, just leave with us.